Well, we are getting a recipe now from our CommonGround volunteer, and this sounds like a good one. Rene Blauhorn is back. Rene, what do you have for us?
Today I have No Bake Smore bars by the Pioneer Woman. And so I went ahead and got started just melting 4 tablespoons of salted butter here. And I'm mixing in 2/3 of a bag of marshmallows. And once that's all melted, I'm going to go ahead and combine a whole bag of chocolate chips here. So I'm just going to pour those in and continue my mixing. And I'm going to make sure I'm mixing pretty fast. It melts pretty quickly and gets pretty sticky.
What temperature are you on there?
I'm on low here.
Okay. Just melt it on low.
And then after, this is all about melted here. So I'm going to add a pinch of salt here. And this will just kind of take down the sweetness a little bit. So we'll add that in.
Okay.
And then we add about half the graham crackers it calls for, so about 4, and I've already chopped them all up here. So we will add those in and give it another mix. And once it's mixed, we're going to transfer it to an 8x8 square pan. And I put some parchment paper in it so it's not as sticky. This is going to be a very sticky fudge-like substance. So we're just going to go ahead and dump it right in there. We're going to pat it down as much as we can. And then the last part here, so as you can see, we've got it patted down. The last part is the decorating, which is my favorite part. We're just going to add the rest of our graham crackers on top and give it a little sprinkle. And we're going to add some of the marshmallows that we have left. And then to make it fun and bright and cheery, we're going to add a little bit of sprinkles. And then you can even throw in some M&Ms if you like.
I like.
And then all you have to do is wait until this sets. And if you're impatient, you can put it in your refrigerator. And this is the final product.
Oh, wow, that looks great. Thank you, Rene, for joining us today. We appreciate it.
Thanks, John.